How to prepare your RV for summer travel. Summer's here, and that means it's time to hit the road. But before you set off on your next great RV adventure, make sure your home on wheels is ready for the journey ahead. Start with a simple walk-around of your RV. Check the tires for cracks or worn treads and ensure they're properly inflated. Inspect the roof and seals for any signs of wear or potential leaks. Don't forget to test all your lights and clean off any dirt or debris that builds up during storage. Inside the RV, test your appliances to ensure everything's working, especially the refrigerator, stove, and air conditioning unit. Flush and sanitize your freshwater system and check the plumbing for any leaks. Replace air and water filters as needed. Safety is key when you're far from home. Make sure your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are working properly. Check the expiration date on your fire extinguisher and replace it if needed. Restock your first aid kit and make sure it's easy to access. Now it's time to stock and organize. Load up your kitchen supplies, linens, and pantry essentials. Keep your storage organized so everything is easy to find and won't shift while you're driving. Don't forget entertainment. Books, games, and a playlist can go a long way on the road. Before you hit the highway, review your RV insurance. Are you covered for roadside assistance? What about vacation liability or theft of personal belongings? If you're unsure, we're here to help. Call Klinger Insurance Group at 301-428-4935. We'll make sure you have the right protection so you can travel with peace of mind. Prep smart, travel safe, and make this summer unforgettable. Your adventure begins with confidence and the right coverage. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and insurance insights from Klinger Insurance Group. Safe travels.